Identify the solubility equilibrium equation and the KSP expression. The dissolution of solid calcium fluoride, CaF2, in water is represented by the equilibrium equation. CaF2 is in equilibrium with Ca to the power 2 plus 2F to the power negative quad the solubility product constant expression, KSP. For this heterogeneous system excludes the solid reactant and is written as KSP equals Ca to the power 2 plus F to the power negative to the power 2 quad. Understand the threshold for precipitation. The maximum concentration of Ca to the power 2 plus that can coexist with a specified concentration of F to the power negative without causing precipitation of solid CaF2 is reached when the system is exactly at saturation equilibrium. At this point, the ion product QSP equals the solubility product constant KSP. If the concentration of calcium ions exceeds this equilibrium limit, the excess ions will react and precipitate out of solution, pulling fluoride ions along with them and dropping the concentration of F to the power negative below the ideal level. Substitute the given values into the KSP expression. The problem provides the following values. KSP equals 4.0 times 10 to the power minus 11. F to the power negative equals 4.0 times 10 to the power minus 5 molar. Substitute these numbers into the KSP equation to solve for Ca to the power 2 plus 4.0 times 10 to the power minus 11 equals Ca to the power 2 plus 4.0 times 10 to the power minus 5 to the power 2 quad. Calculate the squared fluoride concentration and isolate Ca to the power 2 plus. First, square the fluoride ion concentration. 4.0 times 10 to the power minus 5 to the power 2 equals 4.0 to the power 2 times 10 to the power minus 5 to the power 2 is equal to 16 times 10 to the power minus 10 molar to the power 2 is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 9 molar to the power 2 quad. Next, isolate and solve for the concentration of calcium ions. Ca to the power 2 plus equals KSP over F to the power negative to the power 2 is equal to 4.0 times 10 to the power negative 11 over 16 times 10 to the power negative 10 quad. Ca to the power 2 plus equals 4.0 over 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 11 minus 9 quad. Ca to the power 2 plus equals 2.5 times 10 to the power minus 2 molar equals 0.025 molar quad. This identifies option B as the correct choice. The correct answer is option B, 0.025 molar.